Hello, now I will explain how to make bulk stock transfer out in Vatrix POS system. For that, first create an Excel file with all the bulk item details in the following template. Stock details and the number of quantity. Stock details can be item code or barcode and enter the number of quantity in the following format. I have created this Excel format and I have saved it as stock bulk. Next, open Vatrix POS system and go to inventory. Now I want to make stock transfer out, so I will select this. Next, set the location you want to transfer to. I am selecting as store 2. Next, go to extra and select if you have entered Excel in barcode, then select bulk barcode from Excel. If you have entered item details using item code, select bulk item code from Excel. I have used item code, so I will select bulk item code. Next, select the Excel file you just created. Here is my file and click on open. Now the system will automatically fetch and fill all the item details. Here you can see the quantity and item details have successfully updated. Next, click on save and click on approve. You can also print this stock transfer out document by clicking on the print button. This is how you create a bulk stock transfer out in Vatrix POS system. Thank you.